Alright, this is the shit I have to deal with. There is no way. So sadly I will have to do some ramp. By the way, car looks tits. Look at that. I already scratched the bottom of the lid, but yep, it's already lifted. As you can see, not even with that. Let's see. Alright, that was the solution for tonight. The car, even with the cups, it won't help. It's a fucking driveway. So yeah. Alright, that's it for today. Someone sent me a message saying remove the bumper. The idea is to use the car every time I want without having to deal with the ramps and shit, but I have no choice.
Alright, let's make a fucking ramp. Oh yeah. Hey, you can't beat this, $12.99 at Walmart.
Right, this is my $12.99 ramp for that shit. I will make a ramp, and with the leftover, I even try to make a penthouse tree. Yeah. And you know what's the best part of all this? It works. Oh shit.
That's it. This is a huge ramp. But this is gonna work. Hey, the tool worked so good that I ended up trimming the tree. Oh yeah.